Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Google Chrome. This is very easy, so let's start. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap on three-dot menu that is located on the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Languages. Now, under the Chrome's Language tab, tap on Current Device Language. Select a language from here which you need. The language is set. See here, before here the language was United States English. Now this is English United Kingdom. You can change again United States. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.